Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this skull and then color it in later. Let's start in the top third of our paper and draw the skull first. Here we draw a large curved line to the left. Then we draw the same in reverse on the right hand side. Now draw another smaller curve downwards on the left hand side of the skull. And then do the same on the right hand side. We will later draw the eyes at this height. Now draw a small wavy line downwards again, starting from the left. And finish this on the right on the inside of the skull. On the right hand side, we draw the same in reverse. We now draw the nose above these inwardly tapering lines. Next, continue drawing on the left side. Here we draw another small downward curve. And then we repeat everything mirror inverted on the right hand side. One last time, we draw another small wavy line from left to bottom. We then draw everything on the right side mirror inverted. Then we finish drawing the chin in the middle. In this lower part of the skull, we draw the mouth area. Here I first draw the lower part of the mouth, and then build the lower row of teeth on top of it. I start with the middle teeth, and then draw many more teeth on the left and right. Now we draw the upper part of the mouth area, and then build the upper row of teeth on it below. Again, I start with the middle teeth, which are the two largest in this row of teeth. Then I add lots of smaller teeth to the left and right. Next, we draw the eyes in the skull. Draw a small diagonal line to the left above the nose, and then another diagonal line to the right. From this small line, we now finish drawing the rest of the eye shape. I start with the shape of the left eye, and finish with the shape of the right eye. The skull is finished and can now be colored in. The part of the video where I color in my drawing is much faster. I first used a gray paint to add lots of different accents to my skull. I then repeated the whole thing with a darker gray paint. I added a few highlights to the eyes in a dark red color. The rest was painted in a black color. I then used black to add further accents to the skull. And finally I painted over the dark accents again with a white pencil. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.